Yeah, this is a very important topic when you are cleaning also such pool filters or replacing whole home water filters, and they have also some O-rings, for example, like here, which we also have to check, clean, replace or just lubricate. Then it's very important to use the right silicone grease, for example the BTAS, which I got from the seller to show you. And the reason why I'm using this one here is because it's food grade silicone grease, not just normal silicone grease, but food grade. So for everything which is touching the water, no matter if it's pool water or the normal city water supply, I'm only using the BTAS multifunction silicone grease, and so it's also very easy to use. I just usually clean the O-ring from the old grease, then checking how it looks. You can see it's a little bit black, not too much. I think I can lubricate it a couple of times, but when there's too much black coming off, the O-ring needs to be replaced. But now I can still use this BTAS silicone grease. You can see comes nicely sealed. That's also what we want to see. Can take some out here. By the way, what I also like is this large opening, makes it much easier to use. I've been using some other brands in the past which were pretty difficult to use also regarding the tube, so definitely much easier here. And I like also the consistency is great. I can easily distribute it here all over and then put it right back on. Of course, you can also use this BTAS silicone grease for a lot of other stuff. For example, for electronic spark plugs, car battery poles and much more. But especially here it's very important to have very high quality food grade silicone grease. Yeah, for me definitely works. Love it. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this BTAS multifunction silicone grease, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.